Okay guys, the GHD sit-up. The GHD sit-up is like the Mac Daddy of all ab movements. Big movement, large load, large since quickly, that whole deal. When we start off with this thing, we want to not start off with this thing. We're introducing the GHD sit-up, but first we want to do is make sure we have capacity with the ab mat. So we want to get our athletes up to about 25 or 30 reps continuously for 2 or 3 weeks before we introduce the with the ab mat, before we introduce the GHD. When we come to the GHD, there's a few things we're looking for. First is the setup. We have Mel set up with her butt hanging off the back end there, knees slightly bent. That's how we know how to get this thing adjusted. Okay? When she goes back to initiate the first one, notice how Mel keeps her knees bent as she goes back just to parallel. Okay? Then what we're looking for here is the big motion is slamming the knees down, and that forces her torso up. Big thing we see here is kind of that kind of like missed out of order thing, where people bring their torso up and then slam their knees down. That's not really achievable. So instead we want, again, going back down, and then this action right here is what's bringing her torso back up. Once we show capacity there, 15 reps or so, 2 or 3 sets, a few weeks of it, then we'll start to bring it towards a bigger range of motion, we'll work lower and lower and lower, until eventually we're down as far as we want to go, and that is when the torso is kind of in line with the thighs here. See, that's one line. She slams her thighs down, and that's what brings her back up. 2-minute version of the GHD sit-up. Go get it.